Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by deciding a clear theme for your Find the Emoji video format. Choose one theme and place 3 to 5 emojis per round to keep it fun. Plan rounds that last between 15 and 30 seconds so viewers stay engaged. Use a visible timer on screen that counts down from 15 seconds to 0 for each round. Prepare a final reveal sequence with a 5-second countdown and a celebratory sound effect to reward viewers. Set your camera or screen recorder to 1920x 1080 resolution and 30 frames per second for smooth results. Design layouts using either a 9 to 16 grid or a scattered placement that fits your theme. Ensure each emoji is clearly visible with at least a 3.5% size difference from background icons. Record clean voiceover lines and capture a separate soundtrack for music at -6 decibels. Add short visual emphasis, like a 3 to 5 second zoom or shake effect. Import footage into your editor and trim clips so each round remains 15 to 30 seconds long. Layer your voiceover and music, keeping music at -6 decibels under the voice track for clarity. Export the final file as H.264 MP4 with an 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate for online platforms. Create 3 short captions that explain rules and tag time limits. Post the video and pin the challenge instructions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.